We are looking forwards to say how can we help those small companies, those SMEs, and make them into larger organisations.
Well, good morning everybody. Innovate UK can really help you. You are the most important people in the country today because you will build the businesses that underpin our economy.
It's probably getting funding, come up with a really good idea, and then the idea is you've got to try and develop it into a product.
The biggest challenge is generating the evidence that our technology works.
The big challenge for us is sort of how we interact with these very big companies very well, sort of get their trust and grow our business.
One was just with the high level of people within Innovate UK. They gave us lots of good tips on coming competitions and new opportunities, so that was great in itself.
It's a really interesting event because it's very diverse. You get to learn about a lot of different things going on. Be like, oh, I could get into that kind of area a little bit.
And we hope to be going live with a product within 12 months.
There were a range of companies who were interested in supplying us with complementary technology, which we would never have thought either existed or been able to find, because these were small, innovative people like us.
We met a number of investors, and also we met a number of different big companies interested in partnering with us. So it's a very successful outcome.
We're always on the lookout for people to try out our technology, and this is a place for innovators, so it turned out to be a great place to find trial partners.
Our mission is to accelerate economic growth through business-led innovation. And we do that in a number of ways. We look at global markets of the future. We concentrate on those areas where we think the UK has got really good strengths.
The Innovate UK grant allowed us to do something different that we wouldn't ordinarily have had the funding to do. That could lead to intellectual property and new business opportunities.
The £33,000 helped us to reduce one of the big risks. Lots of things didn't work. From the many things that we discovered that didn't work, we found a way to do it, and that's really been quite compelling.
It allowed us to get some data which is going to help support a patent application.
It will actually allow us to maybe have a researcher or maybe work with another university to actually advance stuff.
It gives me confidence to invest more money to take the technology forward and into a product.
They actually gave me a job, so I'm very pleased on a personal note.
The two people that were hired and got jobs for this project have now continued their employment with Chain as a result of this investment.
This day really is the start of a journey from where I see it. It's in terms of you've been out there, you've had a look at what's available, and actually now we hope to engage with you even more, not only supporting your business, but also maybe you're applying for some of the collaborative feasibility studies or entering some of our themed competitions.
Last year we were successful in winning the coolest technology, and that helped raise the awareness of developing a new technique to help people suffering from diabetes.
Invest some time in it. It's actually an extremely useful process, this condensation of your entire message into 2.5 minutes and one slide. I found it very helpful from that point of view.
Do a lot of preparation, have a look through the kind of companies that are potentially attending.
Just remain open-minded about the people that might be here and the opportunities that might present.
And also I think it's really useful if you can exhibit, because the networking is invaluable.
Keep it simple.
Keep it short, if not they will actually kick you off the stage.